Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, open Canva and create a video design or open an existing one. Go to Uploads tab and upload your video, then drag it onto your timeline. Click on your video, then go to the app section on the left hand side. Search for captions or auto subtitle. You'll be able to see numerous apps and then click on use. Canva will automatically generate subtitles for your video. Once generated, you can fix spelling or grammar mistakes, adjust timing if it's off, break long sentences into shorter lines, and make sure the text is clear and easy to read. Once done, you can click share at the top right and then click on download. Make sure you select MP4 video for best results. And that's basically how you can add subtitles in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.